What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bit different. I'm not going to be working on the trucks, the 4Runner, the F-150 or the OBS. Today's video is going to be about unboxing all these items here. This is a welder. This is what is it? It's a 110 gasless MIG stick welder. Okay, then this one here is going to be the welding helmet, the tools, and the welding wire. I will be unboxing this machine here and the helmet so I can show you exactly what they look like and go over the details or the features a little bit, not in depth because I'm not an expert about any of this stuff. It's a beginner's. It's the cheapest one. It's one of the cheap ones from Amazon. And I saw a few videos about these welders. There's a few of them. There's a big line of different welders there. So I decided to use this one here. I think this is the one that's gonna work for me. I will not be working on big projects. This is just for around the house use. This is gonna work for me. I haven't been around anyone who has used one of these before. So I will try it out, and you guys are gonna see me use it. I will let you know how it works. Let's get it out of the box. Let's get all these things out of the box, and I will show you what they look like. All right, so let's do this. I have my knife here. Okay, we're gonna start with the welder. By the way, this one here is it's a TOOLIOM TL-135M, and this one here is a MIG and stick welder, 6010 rod welder. Okay, so this one here, it does both. It's a MIG and a stick. I saw a video about the other one, the smaller one. The other one was just it was just a stick welder. It was not a MIG, and I was very impressed. And the guy who used it was a professional welder, and he was very impressed on how it performed. So that's why I decided to get me this one here. Okay, this is how it's packaged. Let's get this one out of, let's get this big box out of here. TL-135M accessories. Electrode holder, 6.5 feet. Work clamp, 6.5 feet. MIG gun, 8 feet. All that is in here. I will take this out of the box right now so you guys can see it. Let's get this baby out. All right, it's well packaged. There's nothing else in here, so let's put the box to the side. Let me get this helmet, the welding helmet, out of the way, and this box out of the way so you guys can see this better. Okay, let's get on this side. Okay, well, my first impression is, looks nice. It's not, doesn't look too cheap. I believe it was like $100 on eBay. There was a different one, a smaller one, like I mentioned, and I believe that one was like $60, but that one was only rod, okay? And I decided to go with this one because it has both MIG and rod. Let me turn it over so you can see it. It weighs about, maybe 10 pounds, maybe, if that, maybe 10, 15 pounds. Very light. Let's start with the side here. This is where the wire is gonna go. Okay, nothing too crazy about it. You just take this off, the wire goes in there, and it gets fed through that, and it comes out on this side here. I'm gonna put it together so you guys can see that right now in a minute, but I want to show you guys what this looks like. Okay, so this one here is gonna be for the MIG gun. The wire is gonna be fed through here. Okay, and then these two is gonna be these two are gonna be for the electrodes here. Okay, this is the positive, the negative, and I'm assuming this one here goes attached to the gun, to the MIG gun wire or feeder, whatever you want to call that. There's a button here to adjust, I'm assuming, the settings. There's 4 settings here. This is for lift TIG, MMA 0. This is for the gauge, for the wire gauge. And this knob here is gonna be for the MIG, the temperature, I believe. This one here is gonna be for the speed, the wire speed on this one here. We have 2 LEDs here. For one is for temperature and one is for power. I guess if it overheats, you're gonna see it here, and that's for the on LED. There's a display here. There's a digital display here. I guess I'm assuming this is for the either the speed. It's gonna show you the wire speed, or it's gonna show you the temperature, and we're gonna see that in a minute. Okay. The bottom sealed. The handle is very sturdy. The cord is very thick. Looks really good. On the rear we have a fan. Okay, there's a fan, and there is a on and off switch. Also, it has all kinds of different numbers back here, I guess, for different thickness, metal thickness you're welding, and it guides you on what settings you're supposed to have it at. We'll find out about all that. Again, I'm not a welder whatsoever, so I have used my previous machine for small stuff around the house, and that's what I'm planning on doing with this one here. Let's open up the tools. Nothing fancy, just a wire brush. Just a wire brush. And have this is a pick, like a pick. I had one, but I lost it. This is just regular tools, nothing fancy here. Okay. All right. What's next? Oh, let me open this one up for you guys. These are gonna be accessories that come with the machine, with the TL135M machine. If you just look at TOOLIOM welding machines, there's a line of different models. This model here is the 135M, and there's a few other ones. There's bigger ones. They do a lot of other different things. I believe I saw like 4 or 5 different models, and they're all cheap. And we're gonna test this one out. All right, here we go. I'm gonna open this one up. This one here is gonna be the work clamp, they call it. This is the ground. This is the ground clamp. Oops. This is the ground clamp right here. Let's open this up. The cord feels very soft. This feels very soft over here. I'm not sure how well this is gonna hold up, or if this is gonna heat up. I guess we will find out. Okay. Look at the clamp. The clamp looks pretty good. The clamp looks good. Let me show you guys from a little closer. Okay. So, feels good. I mean, this is a cheap welding machine, Welders, so you you can't expect nothing too crazy, right? Of quality. Well, we'll see. We're gonna try it out. Okay. Let's get this one out of the way. All right. The next one here, this is gonna be for the rod. This one here is for the rod. This one feels a little stiffer, thicker. Okay. And this one here, I'm not even sure what you call this. Can you guys tell me what this is called? The stinger, maybe? I don't know, maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Right now, I don't have any rods. I just have the welding wire. I'm gonna try these later on, and I will be giving you an update on how this holds up, or if this works at all. Okay. We have the manual here. We have a couple tips, brass tips or copper tips. I believe these are gonna be the tips for the MIG gun. Yeah. All right. The manual here. Okay, let's get this big one out of the way. Are we missing anything else? Nope. This is the MIG gun. Yeah, I was right. The other plug goes right next to this one. I believe it goes, this one here, I believe it goes right there. And then this one up here. All right. It's kind of thick. It's like a jacket here, protecting both lines in there, both cables in there. Yeah, it comes with 2 extra tips. I'm not sure if this is copper. Looks like copper. This comes with 2 of these tips. All right. $100. $100, guys. I don't know what to expect, so we're gonna find out. Okay, this is the wire. Next thing, the welding helmet. It's called Yes Welder. I'm not sure what that's about, but again, it's another cheap welding helmet. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not gonna be building or welding anything major, nothing big, fences, gates. Nothing like that. It's just for minor things, little things. Huh, okay, interesting. Comes with replacement lenses. Comes with 2 different lenses here. These are the replacements here. Let me show you here. This is let me show you the welding helmet here. Welding Helmet Pro. Yes Welder. That's what it's called. Yes Welder. All right. Auto darkening, sensitivity, delay. Okay, looks nice. This is all I need, so let's give it a shot. All right, guys. So there you go. You guys saw what this little machine can do. Right now I'm learning. I need to practice, but I'll get better. I'm gonna get better. I promise you guys. I'm gonna practice more. My next weld is gonna be better than my last. So with that said, thank you guys for watching my channel. Like, share, subscribe, and all of you guys who are already subscribed to my channel, thank you again. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers. I'm getting that close. So if you guys can help me with that, I really appreciate it. I'm gonna keep bringing more, I'm gonna keep recording more content for you guys. Right now is this a little unboxing of the welder and all the stuff I'm doing. I'm gonna keep on working on different things. I have so many projects and so many different things I'll be working on my white OBS here. I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna work on the mini bikes, and I'm gonna do a little more to Big Red over here. And don't forget the 4Runner, more upgrades. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys on the next one.